box from Tokyo Treats. Yeah! Come on in. Hey, so now we're sitting down with Armin, Mikasa, and Jean. I'm so nice, I invited Jean. Because I'm so nice. I'm an angel. No. No.
Yes, my best friend.
Yeah! Okay, so we're going to taste Tokyo Treats today, and we're really excited actually! Yes! Yes!
Wow!
So we're going to taste the thing in it, and we're really excited!
Yeah!
So, I'm going to speak in English. He's going to speak in English a bit too, and the other two are going to speak French, and I'm going to translate, and they're going to translate a bit too. For French and English person. Speaking French.
Donc, alors, on va vous présenter la boîte. Il y a ces deux personnes-là vont parler en français. Moi,
French.
je vais parler un peu anglais, un peu français. Et Eren ici présent va parler full anglais.
Yes, oui. Baguette.
Oui, baguette.
I actually speak French, but still. Okay, so who want to choose?
Bon bah Mikasa va choisir alors.
Non, Armin.
Moi? Oh!
Really? Okay. So we have some One Piece cake or cookies. I don't know what is it? They're like chocolate cookies. Yes.
Yes!
So you can open. Mikasa. Wait, oh, be careful, please. She's so violent. Thank you. They're so cute. Look, there's a little One Piece sign. I'm not really a One Piece fan, but I find it really cool. Oh, again, wait, there's different ones. Oh, I have the Luffy one, and Armin have the. I don't know the character, but it's really cool. The Chopper. Ah, because I have Chopper.
On a Chopper, on a, je sais pas, je connais pas.
Luffy, and I don't know. Tu connais?
C'est Zoro.
Zoro. Yes. Oui. So we're going to taste it now.
Bon. On l'a pas ouvert.
I hope you're not hungry right now because
Ah, ça sent trop bon le chocolat.
it smells really good. Wait, I have to open it. I don't want to destroy it.
Ça sent très bon le chocolat.
It's okay, I did it. Okay. I'm excited. Okay, maybe not today.
T'en sors?
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Yes. Yes. Oui.
T'as déjà mangé?
No.
Ah,
Just,
ok.
it smells yum.
Chin.
Ouais, c'est au chocolat.
Chin. Chin. Yeah.
Yeah. Hein? C'est au cacao.
It's like we feel the chocolate. It's really good.
C'est au chocolat.
And it's like really soft in a good way. It's like fresh cookies, something like this. You know the texture of it, and you can see the chocolate inside. It's really tasty. What are you doing?
Bah c'est bon.
Yes.
Alors c'est pas fort en chocolat.
Oui, mais en fait, ça a le goût du cacao. Du coup, voilà.
Ouais, c'est des cookies au
I
chocolat.
approve this thing. It's really cute.
Yes.
And you have all the characters in it, which is really cool.
Oui, il y a plusieurs personnes.
Les personnages.
C'est bien ouais, pour la collection si vous voulez les collectionner.
Yes. On doit donner une note. We'll rate it on, for me, it will be a 19 on 20 because really, just really good.
17.
17 for Armin,
16.
16 for Mikasa.
Moi, ouais, je vais mettre un 16.
Wow, 16 for John too. So who's gonna choose afterwards?
Jean.
John. Yeah, okay. You can choose.
Oh, les chips.
Voilà.
C'est Noël.
Les chips de Noël.
Christmas chips.
Ouais.
Le sel.
5.
Salty chips. You just have a it looks like a regular bag of chips. And you can see the salt thing in it. Maybe it's a lot of salt in it. It's okay. What are you doing, Mikasa?
Je te ressape.
Mikasa is helping with my hoodie. That's what she says she's doing, but I don't know. I wanna look in the box so much.
Attention, Armin.
Ouais, qui sont types.
Des chips.
Just smell like chips.
Ouais, c'est.
Vas-y.
I love chips so.
Ah, ça une?
Thank you. Look a little one. Why me?
Regarde la plus grosse. Elle a débouché.
Ah!
Because it's at the weekend and I'm like, whoops. They're good. They're not too salty.
C'est des chips.
Don't potato chips. Yes. Look at that person. Really, Mikasa? Okay. No, they're really good.
En fait, c'est des chips normales. c'est-
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
En fait, c'est des chips normales, c'est juste un sur 20.
20 for Armin on 20, I remind you guys.
Moi, 15, c'est des chips normales.
15 because she says they're just regular normal chips.
Ouais, 15 parce qu'ils sont assez fines quand même.
15 too because they're like thin. No, they're really good and I think they're not too salty or like they don't feel like greasy. I would say 18. Quand je prends des chips c'est toujours trop salé tandis que là justement je trouve ça pas trop salé et pas trop gras.
Oui, c'est vrai.
Du coup
On
voilà.
passe au prochain?
Yes! And John is
Et
hungry.
le papier.
Oh, ça
what is it?
c'est malo.
Non, ça doit être le papier, ça sert à rien.
What is it?
C'est marshmallow.
Those like little marshmallow and they're really cute.
Kawaii.
Look at this. It's really kawaii.
Oui!
Weird.
Paper. Ouais, voilà.
Oh, oh, c'est des chamallows normales, mais
Thomas.
c'est là beau.
Thank you. So they're like little chamallows,
Ouais, ils ont des couleurs différentes.
and they're like each a different color. I have a pink one. You know, a
1,
pink.
2,
Ouais.
Oh, look at it. They're like
ça a pas trop de goût.
bases.
Ça a pas trop de goût, j'aime pas trop.
Ouais. Je pense que c'est les chamallows que tu mets dans
Dans les
les
gâteaux.
chocolats chauds.
She say they don't really have a lot of taste. I mean, I feel it, but it's really soft. So when you do hot chocolate, you put them in it so they melt on it, and that's delicious. Sadly, we don't have hot chocolate, but I'm going to taste it.
Alors moi je donnerais une note de 10 quand même, parce que c'est bon. Moi je donnerais une note de 10, je pense.
Armin give it a 10 on 20, Mikasa
10.
10 too,
10.
and 10 too. I don't know, it's
Et
kind of harsh. I would give it like a 14.
Oh, c'est gentil hein.
It's actually good, it's not.
C'est bon mais c'est trop simple en fait et c'est en fait c'est les mêmes que tu trouves au magasin tout ça. donc-
He says it's too simple and you can find it in any shop or
Mais j'aime beaucoup.
supermarket.
C'est
But
très bon quand même.
it's good. It's really good. So, and it's cute.
C'est
We lost another one!
c'est-
Rest in peace, where are you?
Elle est
We'll regret this one. I'm sorry, it's on the floor
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
next to my feet, so
T'aimais
goodbye.
le marshmallow.
We loved you. Oh, oh, what is it?
La pêche non?
Ah! I'm scared of Mikasa. How's Marco? Comment il va, Marco?
Ça va. Après ça marche.
Elle a foutu. Oh no! Mikasa broke it! What the fuck is wrong with you?
Mais c'est pas de ma faute, ça s'est ouvert tout seul.
It's not her fault. Just harsh. Just like bam.
Give me ta main.
Non non j'en ai là.
The little balls. I was supposed to eat them. I don't know.
C'est des petites boules.
Little
Oh, little
balls.
balls.
Little balls.
Ça a pas de goût. Ah si, ah j'aime pas.
Ah.
Oh j'aime pas.
I don't know. And first you don't feel anything, and then you feel something, and I don't know what it is.
Faut les croquer pour avoir le goût.
Ah bon?
Ouais.
Parce que.
You have to. Ah c'est bon après.
Oh!
Après
C'est
c'est bon.
bon.
Yeah, it's orange tasted. You have to actually
En fait au début c'est bon. C'est pas très bon.
chew them, so then they kind of explode the taste in your mouth.
En fait,
coup, c'est ce que vous avez
oui,
dit.
voilà, au début c'est pas très bon et ensuite, bah, en fait, quand vous croquez, bah, c'est trop bon.
That's kind of refreshing. It's like you're actually drinking some juice, some orange juice.
Yes.
So I like it. What are you doing? But that's cute. You can play with this thing. Look. It makes a little noise.
Ren.
Yes.
Ren, divide.
Oh. Ferme les yeux. Close your eyes.
Je vois pas le carton.
Pick something. What is it?
Oh, fraise.
So we have this. I'm sorry, I don't know how to read Japanese or speak Japanese, but you can see.
Je parle pas très bien japonais.
Yes.
Non, je sais pas.
Ça fait comme le parmesan. Pardon. Regardez,
Parmesan.
regardez. Il y a l'ouverture dans les.
C'est facile.
Oui, voilà. Et en fait, ça fait ça.
Oh, it's a fresh bite.
Et après, tu mets le parmesan.
That was a tutorial by Army. I wanna see.
Ils sont très très bons. Ça sent trop bon.
Ah, c'est des haribots.
Attends, je prends un rouge.
They're like candies.
Je prends.
Sur le sens, c'est trop bon.
Tiens. Attends, bah voilà.
Oh, that
On
smells
va
good.
goûter tous.
Those two different tastes.
On va tous goûter un.
And
Différent.
so you can. I'm going to taste both, so I can tell you.
Tac pour toi.
Sorry, I'm hiding everyone.
Oui, non, on a les deux, les deux.
So, you know, it was challenging to be on camera on this little couch, so I like to be on the ground. I'm on the ground.
Et aussi,
So we taste it.
On goûte l'orange.
One of them looked like it's going to be
Orange.
spiky a little bit.
Goûte l'orange.
Orange first.
C'est trop bon.
Mm.
Ah, c'est délicieux.
That's really good.
Ça a vraiment le goût des fruits.
De la pêche.
Ouais, de la pêche, ça a vraiment le goût.
It's peach.
c'est très bon.
It doesn't like it.
Franchement, on n'avait pas mis de notes pour l'orange.
Sorry. Oh, we're going to rate this before because we forgot.
10.
9.
10.
10, 9,
10.
10. And I'm going to give it like a 13 because that was cool. But it's sad we don't have a lot of it in it.
Ah, mais les deux sont géniaux.
Mm. Mm.
On va quand même la pêche, moi.
Mm.
Ouais, moi aussi.
So I prefer the peach one. I like both.
C'est un 19 ans.
Ouais.
Un bon
19 for Armin,
18.
18 for
Ah,
Mikasa,
moi sur 20, je mets un 10.
10 on 20 because it doesn't really like candy, so it doesn't help. And I'm going to give it like a 19 too because I think you know what, to 20 because it's perfect for what it is. I like it. Yes.
Non, non, no, yes, oui, non. Non. On passe au combien de prochain.
Oh, I found a little.
On passe au prochain objet.
We can't
Prochain
see.
objet. Pourquoi j'ai l'habitude de dire objet?
Est-ce que tu fais du téléachat?
Absolument. Moi sur ma chaîne, Armin fait des téléachats.
Armin just sell items online. Armin sells.
Oh,
Bizarre.
Wesh.
Show me. Genre, like, show to the camera.
Oui.
I have no clue what it is. What? Is this slug?
On dirait du slime.
Juste là.
à manger.
À manger.
Oh, the candy. Chewing candy.
Yes.
Cola.
Oh oui. Ça sent trop bon.
Oh, yes. It smells good.
Yes, yes, regarde.
Oh, it just smells like cola candies.
Ouais,
That's cool.
c'est le.
We have to make it, I think.
Yes.
Oh my god, wait.
Ah,
I have to show.
le petit tube, tu le mets dans le paquet,
Et on...
tu mets la sauce par-dessus.
Il y a un couteau, oui. Oui. There's a knife.
Du coup, je comprends
You
pas.
put the
Et après, tu
sauce in it and then you just change. Wait, what are you doing?
Et après tu coupes, tu prends.
So we have the candy itself. We have the little packet of sauce, we say. And we have the little knife. So we're going to have to open it.
Wow.
Kasa, are you sure of yourself?
Yes, yes.
I'm scared.
Non.
En
I'm
4.
scared.
Oui, il faut le couper en 4 parce que je trouve que
I'm going to cut it in 4 parts. With the little knife.
c'est tellement pas crédible.
Dédicace Bobby et Gérard.
Bobby et Gérard. Oh merci. Allez, si tu regardes cette vidéo, tu sais.
I'm trying to get it right. I don't want someone to have less than the other one, so.
Côté contour.
Ah, mais regarde, c'est tout mûr en fait.
Non,
Si le couteau,
il y a des dents.
c'est de l'autre côté normalement le couteau. Enfin le couteau c'est de l'autre côté. Non
Yes, but what are you doing?
On met sur les doigts.
Mikasa is messy. She's messier than me. What's wrong?
Allez, Ren, allez, Ren,
Parce que là, t'as un-
allez,
Sinon,
Ren.
t'as
Je crois qu'on va rappeler Broco. C'était tellement méchant. Je rigole.
J'ai un couteau dans les mains, un ciseau.
Et ce sera encore.
Moi j'ai un mini couteau, attention.
Et ce sera encore.
Ah, mais bon,
Il manque plus que des yeux qui regardent sur le côté.
Non, arrête.
Allez.
Ah
Il y a un cure-dent aussi. Pour
non. Est-ce que c'est propre?
Oui, c'est propre.
Is it clean?
Et là, il y a même un cure-dent planté.
Really? It was in it? We have a little peek.
Il y en a
Like a picky
Ouais.
stuff. So we're dipping it, so we should actually show it. Mikasa, wait! Oh my god. Do you
bon.
see? She's dipping it. She's dipping. I don't care. I dip it. She. Well. Yes. Ça te va ça.
Ça coule.
Oula.
Be careful, please.
On dirait tout par Willy Wonka.
We're having fun. Willy Wonka. Na 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 na. Don't do this at home. I'm saying just. Wait! Oh! So we're having a lot of fun with it. It's like cheese. It's like you're having a cheese party or something, but that's really. Oh my god, wait, it's on my thing! It's on my booty! It's like spider! Spider net! What do you say? It's a lost. Oh my god! You can.
C'est satisfaisant.
It's like slime you can eat. It's good by the way.
À la fin, ça pique un peu.
Spicy at the end.
Ah, ça pique. Maintenant,
It burns a little bit, but in a good way. No, because
It's a spicy cola.
spicy cola with spicy.
Ah oui, il était obligé d'aller prendre de l'eau.
Non, ça va. Ça pique pas. Non, ça pique pas.
Mikasa is badass. She doesn't feel it.
Et moi donc.
Pardon, je vais me laver les mains. Non, t'as quelqu'un qui pouvait m'ouvrir la porte. Ah non, c'est bon, je le fais avec le pied. Mikasa is badass.
Oh, ça pique. Et tu continues à manger.
It's good actually. We like. I like it. We like it, but it's spicy.
Elle va lécher la sauce.
Mais ça pique la fin. Pourquoi ça pique?
C'est l'intérieur qui est chaud.
Oui, du bonbon.
Je suis en train de bouffer du slime.
Et Ren lèche le sang.
Je bouffe des chips, c'est bon. Ouais, c'est le coup.
Tu rigoles avec Jean.
Oh no, I'm not friends with John. I'm just being nice to him.
Pourquoi tu l'as invité?
Because I invited him because I'm nice. I'm trying to be the best.
Ferme la porte.
I'm the best.
Right. No, Levi is the best. I miss Levi. He couldn't be here because he's working. He's working really hard. And... Oh my god.
Ça pique vraiment
It's
beaucoup, en
good
fait,
he's
hein.
not there anyway
No.
because he would be mad at me for being so messy, but that's not my fault.
C'est très collant.
Là, il est lovely.
L'encore sur les doigts, c'est pas tout parfait.
Ah, monsieur.
Faut pas le faire avec des enfants, de toute façon. c'est-
Don't do this with kids unless you're prepared. Pas faire ça avec les enfants, sauf si vous êtes très préparés.
Oui.
Ou vous avez une bonne machine de nettoyage.
If you have a good washing machine or something to washing machine. J'ai une question. J'ai mis ma langue dedans en fait. Mikasa, You're creepy. I put my whole tongue in it. You're disgusting.
Encore.
I kiss you.
Question.
Oh my god.
Question.
Oh my god.
Bye. On continue?
So we're going to continue now.
Yes.
La roche right here.
So because I want to choose. I sound like, you know, the DJ in the party, like, yeah! Yeah!
Yeah.
I'm happy, I'm proud of
Close your
myself.
eyes.
So no, we're hiding, so... Yes, you did it!
C'est une glace.
Oh, it's cute!
Mais elle a pas compris.
It's like a surprise thing.
C'est un biscuit.
Show it before, what are you doing?
Je vais goûter ça.
So it's a giant Caplico. It looks like a can... the base.
Ice cream.
Ice cream cone. Thank you.
C'est un gâteau en fait.
Oh!
Alors c'est pas du tout comme sur photo.
C'est bizarre.
Can I see?
C'est cute par contre.
So that's really cute. It looks like an ice cream cone.
C'est du CA plus MG.
And we don't know what the
There's
texture of
mango
it is.
Il y a du chocolat dedans.
There's chocolate in it. Okay, we're going to take it. Stop.
Du lait, du chocolat.
I'm happy.
C'est pas la...
Chocolate and
Une
milk.
vache.
C'est une vache.
Une
Sur
vache
les...
dessus.
We see some
Au cas où.
cow with milk in it, so we guess.
Commence. Vas-y.
Goûte tout, hein. Le peu de biscuit tout avec.
Chaud.
The milk is really good. It's really like milk, like in, you know, the.
C'est vraiment au
I don't
meilleur.
just want to taste the.
C'est au lait, on sent vraiment le lait.
Ça fait vraiment lait. That's so good. I want 10 of it.
Mange là où t'as mangé. Hein.
Yes, please stop. I saved it. She's destroying it. I'm scared. Because how is it, Armin? Oh wait, be careful, please. You're destroying it without any respect. I'm scared. I'm sad.
Ah, c'est trop bon.
Ouais, c'est trop.
It's really, really like. I just want 10 packets of them.
Moi, je
Just
peux manger le chocolat.
Ouais.
Le chocolat est bon.
give me some milk.
Les autres tout.
Mikasa doesn't care.
En fait, on dirait une.
The chocolate is good too.
Et après je fais.
This is one of the perfect treats ever. Like, ooh. It's original. It's really good, and it's kind of big too.
C'est original.
Can you leave it to me, please? Thank you.
Tu l'as joli, t'as dit.
It's like you know those little that part, you know the cone part is like ASMR in my ear. I'm sad. It's like the little waffle thing.
Je donnerais vraiment un 20 sur 20.
Ouais,
C'est trop bon.
It's a 20 for everyone.
Ouais.
Yes, 20. Yeah. So I think for now it's our favorite, right?
Ouais.
20. Oh my god, I'm sad we finished it already. I want more. Please send more. My turn. Okay. What? What is it? Oh, it's a diamond ring.
Un diamant. Wow.
C'est une bague diamant. C'est trop bien.
Bang. Je cache après toi.
Là, tu te solo dans ma vie. C'est compliqué.
Je peux ouvrir.
Vite.
Oui.
Vite.
Pigeon Army. New ship. Oh. Yeah.
Non, c'est moi qui l'ai inventé, je suis solo, puis lui aussi, donc on s'est dit, bah, sortons ensemble.
We want to see more Armin Peach ship.
J'ai mis une sucette pour baby.
Oh, thank you. Sometimes you can choose not to be a thing. Okay? Nah! I have Levi's ring on my finger. I'm traumatized. What the fuck? My teeth! So this is really cute. We can say it's cute. It's kind of purple.
Mais
Is it purple?
C'est au cola.
yes.
Ah, it's Coca-Cola.
Commence Rebecca, vas-y, commence Irène, vas-y.
This is weird. This is really good. It's like
Attends, je vais voir.
cola.
Attends, je...
We're disgusting. We share spits, all of us. I hope no one is sick.
Attends, peut-être. Je sais pas. Je sais pas qui. C'est n'importe.
Mais dépêchez-vous. Move on, please. John, no. I'm a victim. Please remember, I'm a victim for you guys. Please, traumatize.
Bah, franchement, ça va.
So that was good.
Oui, hein.
It's like cute, really.
Ça donne un 13. Hein.
13 for Armin. Mikasa would give it 12.
17 pour la présentation.
17 for the presentation, and I agree with. I would say 17 too, because yeah, it's good theme, and it's pretty, and it's good. It's actually like a Chupa Chup, something like this color. It's a color Chupa Chup, so it's good.
Yes.
C'est joli.
Yes,
Oui.
it's pretty.
So cute.
C'est quoi?
You know, should be. So it's a. I think we think it's a famous character, but we don't recognize him.
C'est une.
Ça a l'air d'être salé.
C'est comme un gros curly.
It's like a curly.
Yes.
Je commence, ok? Non.
Is it cheese?
No.
Yeah, it looks like a really big curly. I wouldn't describe it in a way.
Non, je suis pas sûre que ce soit fromage.
Ah no, it's not cheese.
Ouais, c'est un goût bizarre. Enfin, ça sent bizarre déjà.
Wait.
Ah, j'ai pas senti.
Attends, j'ai pas compris du tout. On dirait les
Sugary and salty at the same time in the way.
On dirait les surimi.
C'est un peu sucré salé.
Ouais.
Ouais.
On dirait les surimi.
It's like
Franchement, c'est bon. J'aime beaucoup, moi.
crab, a bit like crab, like the little surimi thing you eat. And it's like salty and sugary at the same time, but in a really good way. I mean, I like it. Thank you.
Mais c'est juste aussi un bonbon.
Franchement, ça va, c'est bon. Je donnerais
It's really good.
un petit 18.
C'est le goût de la mer.
19.
It has some algae in it.
Ouais.
Ouais, un
18.
peu.
Algae.
Ah, les algues, ouais.
Yes.
Je dirais 18.
I
Moi.
can finish it.
Oui.
Oui.
32.
Thank you.
18, moi, je donne.
18 for Armin.
Moi, 19, j'aime bien.
19.
Ouais, franchement,
19.
19 for Mikasa and 19 for me too because that's really good. Je sais pas sûr. T'as pas
Mais quand tu fais le sol, tu passeras un coup de balai.
Ouais.
De toute façon, c'est le
Non.
mec qui me l'a dit de te le dire.
Ah, ça me fait un truc trop stylé à la bouche, l'oignon plus le truc qu'on a mangé avant.
Ah.
Ouais, mais on dit du chocolat.
C'était bizarre ce que j'ai dit, mais en fait c'est un mix trop bien sur la langue, ça fait. Pas autant, mais.
Levi.
Levi. Ah, Levi.
Levi,
Levi.
c'est pudding tout. Cassa.
Levi. What?
Ok.
Genre.
Jambon.
C'est beau.
I'm so fan in French.
Oh,
Oh.
oh it's a big,
Great.
it's a big Oreo
Big
chocolate.
Oreo. Yeah. Je vais traduire, mais non.
De rien, de rien.
I was going to translate in English, but he said it in English.
Just you.
Yes.
Chocolate cake, ouais.
This is cute. Look at the little castle. I like it.
Oops.
Thank you.
Chin. Chin chin.
Chill.
Chin guys.
Oh, c'est doux.
Nom
C'est genre.
nom nom nom
mou.
nom.
C'est moelleux.
Oui, voilà.
It's soft.
C'est trop bon. Mais c'est trop bon.
You can see it's like this inside, but soft. Why don't we have this in France? She's saying.
C'est trop bon. Moi, je mets un 20 sur 20
It's
direct.
really good.
Moi aussi.
20, 20,
19.
19. I would say 20.
Oh là.
Un poisson.
I like
Oh,
Fiche.
it's a fish. It's a cute fish. It's pink
Oui, le licorne.
on the picture. Wait,
Oui, du unicorn.
it. Unicorn.
unicorn fish.
Yes.
Yes.
Ça sent le candy de ouf.
Ooh. Wow.
Wow.
It smells like unicorns. Like rainbows and unicorn. It smells really sugary.
Oh, c'est trop mimi.
Ah, c'est une
C'est on dirait
une
une
waffle.
carte.
La texture, c'est une waffle.
It's like
Ouais.
he's saying it tastes like waffles. It's so cute. It's a pastel one. It's blue on that side and pink on that side. And you know, guys, that's my favorite color.
Ça sent trop trop bon.
Pastel red is not here, but
Vas-y, on doit
Nice.
être.
I can taste it in first. Yes. So I'm sorry, fish. You're really cute, but
Vendette.
I wanna.
Yeah.
Ok.
Oh my god!
Moi je prends la queue.
That's like so good. It's like refreshing and sugary. It feels like drinking
Il
juice
y a un truc
again.
au milieu.
Yeah, there's something in the middle.
Oh, mais c'est trop bon.
One
Ah, mais
of my
20 jours,
best thing ever.
22.
20.
18.
18, 19, 20, 20.
Ouais.
Thank you.
Du coup, tu peux même garder l'emballage.
Oh.
Ça sent trop bon encore dedans.
Ouais.
Et c'est du wagyu.
Guy, petit bout. J'essaie de faire du franc.
Ouais, le bleu, c'est peut-être de la myrtille.
Maybe. I don't know. We can't really see the taste of it in it. Because I don't read Japanese. I hope I will someday.
No.
Oh!
Pancake, non?
Yes, that's pancakes!
Tiny pancakes.
Oh my god, tiny pancakes! We have 4 of them! You like that?
Ok. C'est un gros en fait.
C'est un sandwich.
Il y a un truc au milieu.
C'est tout gluant par contre.
It's actually 2 of them,
Mais
but we
en
can,
deux, c'est-
on peut les mettre en deux ou non?
C'est au café.
C'est au café.
On dirait du café.
Hmm?
J'ai goûté, moi je suis
Stop.
trop. Un café.
It's not really, it doesn't taste like caramel. It's coffee.
Café?
I don't really like coffee, so I can't really give my
Ça
opinion.
va, il est pas fort.
But it's not too bad. It's not like too much coffee.
J'aime pas.
Ah, je hais le café.
But I like the
J'aime
pancake.
pas.
Moi j'aime bien.
J'aime pas du tout.
I like the pancakes. They're really good, but not the coffee yet.
Moi qui aime bien le café, alors voilà, pas du tout.
He likes the coffee, but he didn't like it.
Ouais,
Moi
je
j'aime
mettrai
bien.
un 6.
Même si j'aime pas le café de base, bah
Ah,
Yes,
yeah.
I don't like coffee normally,
I
like
don't
me, but she liked it anyway.
I don't like coffee. Aïe.
Who likes coffee here? Just you?
Moi je mets un
A
10
bit.
moi.
I would give it like. I don't like coffee, so it's not the problem of the thing, just my taste. So I would give it 13.
10.
But no, the pancake were good, so 14.
15.
15,
10.
10,
10.
10.
Ah, c'est une clé.
Ah, des
It's a 9.
That's my key! Oh no, it's a music key. I think. Thank you!
Peut-être des petits Smarties.
So they're like, they look like little Smarties, like John say.
Je suis le seul à avoir un arme.
J'ai pas fait exprès.
Cheers.
Cheers! Chin. No.
C'est des
On
Smarties.
the Smarties.
C'est basique.
I would give it like,
Moi j'irais peut-être un 16 parce que bah, c'est simple quoi.
yeah, 16. 16 to me too, because that's just simple, but that's cool. In a cool package. Do you want another one?
Ah oui.
Non, monsieur.
No. I have another one.
Yes.
I have a pink one.
Yes.
For Jean-Paul.
Jean-Pierre.
Jean-Louis.
Jean-Bon beurre.
Oh.
Wow! We like this.
Give up.
Give up, give up, give up, give up, give up, give up. So this is like regular, it looks like regular marshmallow, guimauve. It's really good.
C'est simple. Je mets, bah moi je mets pareil 16. Hein.
Ouais.
Comme tout à l'heure parce que.
16. Well, maybe 17 for me. 16,
Oui.
7.
17.
16.
Parce que c'est toujours pareil, en fait, c'est toujours le même goût donc.
It's something we know.
Juste le packaging qui est.
We can find it somewhere else, but it's good. So
Des petits gâteaux.
little cookies, I think.
Mr. Duck.
Mr. Duck.
Oh my god! Can I show it?
Ça, je pense que c'est salé.
So they're like little cookies. Wait. Yes.
C'est des cookies.
And Mr. Duck and there's a lion. So Voltron.
Lion.
Hashtag.
C'est my astrologie.
And cow, dog, and horse. Horse. There's even John in it. Please see. Thank you, Mikasa, for pointing it out. On the back of the box, you can see like the kanji of the little animals, which is really cool. It's there. You can see it in English and you can see it in Japanese. So it's really cool.
Ouais, vous avez.
Yes.
En français, en.
My brother is lost. You can see Mikasa, my brother is lost. Where am I?
Oh.
I'm lost.
Give
Give me the duck! Give me the duck!
Yes,
I want the duck because I love ducks. Because they're cute.
Ah non, c'est ça.
Yes, I have a duck.
Moi j'ai.
Un chameau.
un chameau.
Mr. Duck. It's sugary. It's really good. It's sugary.
Un aigle. Il y a l'aigle.
An eagle.
Un eagle.
Attends, mais là il n'y a pas encore un.
Non, il n'y a pas le duck.
Oh, il n'y en a plus, il y en a qu'un.
Ouais.
There's just one
Il y a un
ducky.
animal,
But it's really good. I don't know what's in it. But there's something different. Il y a un goût
De salé en fait. De... Non, c'est du. Attends.
not salty.
Du
C'est un-
beurre salé.
C'est un goût.
No!
C'est un goût comme les lus.
Du caramel beurre salé.
Les petits beurres.
Aussi, ouais, it like tastes like butter. A bit more. Yes,
Tu sais, les lus petits beurres là comme on a vu.
Oui.
I have a polar bear! Look! T'as fait exprès?
Non.
Armin didn't do it in purpose, but I have a polar bear on my shirt, and this is a polar bear.
Non, mais il y en a pas encore un. Après.
We have this. It's like it's Lipton tea, Sakura style flower, Sakura
Fleur
flower.
de sel, quoi.
My tea.
I like tea.
Tu n'aimes pas
I
le
love
tea?
it.
No.
She doesn't like
I love
tea.
it, I love it, I love it.
Moi
He doesn't like tea
I
either.
love it, I love it.
We love it! Yes! You're my best friend! Na 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 na. I'm really excited about this. Like, yes, thank you so much, Dr. Treats, for all you sent us, and
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
merci beaucoup, Tokyo
Ah
Treats.
oui.
Et les French, merci
Merci beaucoup.
Tokyo Treats.
Yes, thank you.
From the penny of baguette.
Baguette. Baguette.
We live in France.
Baguette and grenouille.
I don't eat frogs, okay?
Comme ils se sont. Voilà.
Non, mais ça sent le thé.
Comme les
So we have 2 mugs of hot water.
Mais je suis con, moi.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Mikasa, really?
Mikasa
Are you sure you're Mikasa?
n'est pas sous comme ça.
Mikasa is not in a good day.
Je vous en promets peut-être.
It smells really good.
Je vais pas mettre là-dessus.
Bah, partagez ensemble,
Ouais.
vu que tu l'as goûté et que je suis par terre.
Ah bon, non.
It smells really, really good. It smells like cherry in a way, so it's logical. Right. So, chin. Mmm.
Manque du sucre.
That's good, I like.
Jean, il aime pas. Hein.
John doesn't like tea,
Je
so.
peux pas goûter là.
Pas du tout, non.
Il manque du sucre. Un peu.
Mm.
Oh, il est trop
It will be better with sugar,
Yeah.
Oh, il est trop bon.
but I like.
Ah, ils sont
I
trop
like.
Il est trop bon.
It just smells good. It smells really good. What are you doing in my neck? What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Sorry.
Remettez tes cheveux en place.
Oh, it tickles. Feels the.
Oh, c'est trop bon.
I feel the cherries in it. On sent les surprises.
Oui, oui, oui.
Flower.
Oh yes, and we have little flowers on it. I'm really happy with it. I'm going to use it a lot. 20 for me and Armin. You?
15.
15? 3? Really? You mean? So we have
C'est
this
la
last
dernière
item.
nourriture. Dernière nourriture.
This is candy.
Le botin bleu.
Ah, les jeunes, ils ont le nouveau. Ah, c'est trop bon.
Les bleus aussi, ils ont un petit goût.
15, parce que c'est bon.
Ouais.
Le jaune, il est trop bon.
15.
So 15? 15? 15? I would say 15 too. We finished the box.
Wow.
Thank you so much, Tokyo Treats.
Thank you,
Thank you very much for sending it to us, and we hope you enjoyed the video.
Vous êtes les meilleurs.
You're the best.
Ouais.
That was really,
Thank you,
really good.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you.
Big kiss. Bisous, bisous.
Voilà.
And we hope you enjoy this moment with us. We have some funny things to show you. and you should actually order it if you like this kind of product. And we love you all, and we hope you like the next video, which is going to be normally Levi X Aaron CV.
Yeah!
Because, not this one yet, but you know, he asked me. Yes, I'm happy.
Yeah!
On vous aime tous et vous retrouverez les Tokyo Treat dans
la description. You're going. We love you, everyone. We love you. We thank you for your support, and you're going to find all the information about Tokyo Treats down in the description. There.
Allez voir.
So we hope you buy it and appreciate it.
Au revoir.
Bye.
Like.
Wait. Oh, there's some more. Really tasty. That was good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Next.
Wait. Oh my god, Levi is going to be there at 7. Oh my god. It's not going to be so bad at me. Guys, help me. Oh my god.
Essaye.
Attends, reste, je fais dans le dos.
C'est bon.
Waouh, trop bien.